Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to post grid photos on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Play Store on your Android device or the App Store on your iOS device. Now, search for and install the Grid Maker app. After installing, tap on the Open button. Once the app opens, tap on the Grid Maker button. From here, select a photo that you want to post as a grid on Instagram. Adjust how many square parts of the picture you want to pose, like 3x3, 3x4, or 3x2, whatever you prefer. After selecting your desired size, tap on the tick icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, tap on Save Grid Images to download them to your device. To upload the grid square pictures to Instagram, open your Instagram app. Tap on the plus icon to begin posting your grid photo. Now, you need to upload each photo one by one. Make sure to post the individual square images sequentially as separate posts on your Instagram feed, so they line up correctly when viewed on your profile grid. You can also add engaging captions for each picture. Finally, your giant square grid photo on Instagram will look like this. By following these steps, you can create an eye-catching grid photo on Instagram that will captivate your audience and showcase your creativity. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.